everyone, and welcome to
Art Fun for Everyone,
where we teach you step by step how to draw cool pieces of fun art. I'm your host, d.roc, and this is my amazing co-host,
DJ Wyld.
Yeah, so today we're gonna teach you how to draw a dinosaur.
Did you hear that?
We're dinosaurs! So if you're ready, get out your pens, your papers, and your pencils, and
Let's do this.
let's do this. Okay, let's get started with our dinosaur. The first thing we're gonna do is draw the head. So the head is gonna be shaped kind of like a box, but it's gonna be rounded on top. So box shape, but rounded on top, and go up at an angle just a little bit. And then from there, we're gonna curve it around like that. Almost a half circle, curve it around and stop. And then from that point, we're gonna go straight down and stop. Straight down.
So
and
we
stop.
need a little bump.
Now we're gonna connect the body to the head. We're gonna bubble out from that point just a little bit and round it out to the right about there. And then we're gonna go straight back from here just a little bit and stop. Okay, that's the bottom of his belly. Now we're gonna go back up to this side and draw his arm, his first arm, his left arm. It's gonna go up a little bit and point. There's short arms. And then from that point, we're gonna bring it back down and stop. All right. We wanted to draw that arm so we could finish his body. The back of his body is gonna go, it's gonna bubble out a little bit and come down and stop right around there. And then his tail is gonna start from there. So his tail is gonna curve around like this. Yes. And then we're gonna bring the tail back down with a nice straight line. And then we're gonna curve it down around, just like that. Now to connect his leg, we're gonna start from about this point right here, about halfway in between these lines. And we're gonna curve it around just like that. And that's gonna be his left leg.
Looks like its knee.
Yeah, it's like his knee. And then his foot is gonna pop out straight and go straight back.
Pop out straight.
Yep,
Straight back.
straight back. And then the back of his foot is gonna go back like that. And then we're gonna connect the tail to that.
Yeah.
Good. Now let's go to this side and draw his right leg. So his right leg is going to pop out right around here, and it's going to do the same thing as that. His knee is going to pop out and around, and then we're going to bounce out with his foot just the same way that we did this foot. We're going to bounce out and point back just like that.
Bounce out.
Yeah. If your leg pops out a little bit, you can draw it straight, or you can draw it straight up. It doesn't matter. That's good. All right, so let's do his right arm. His right arm is gonna start from not this point, but just a little bit higher from this point where his head meets his body, just a little bit up. And we're gonna go up like that. Stop, and then we're gonna point back around to his body. Good. All right. Now that we got his body constructed, we got his arms and his legs and his tail, we're gonna do the face. So what we're gonna start with are his eyes. We're gonna do one big eye and one small eye. So his big eye, we're gonna start right around here towards the top, and do a nice size circle for his left eye. All right, and then on this side, you give it a little space, and we're going to do a smaller one for his right eye. And then we're going to put an eyebrow or an eye wrinkle over that big eye since it's pushing up on his face. All right, and then we're going to draw a little circle here on that one and a little circle on this eye, and that's going to be the light shimmer. And let's draw his mouth now. His mouth is going to be a funny looking rawr mouth, like big open with teeth. So we want him to have his mouth stretched open. So we're going to start from the bottom of this eye, the little eye, and we're going to go almost straight across and make it a little curved. Okay. And then from that point, we're going to go, we're going to curve just a little bit down, just like that. Not totally straight, but a little curved. And we'll do the same on the other side, but not as long of a line. Just kind of a shorter line. All right. And then the bottom of his mouth, we're going to make it curved like that. We're going to arc that line. So like that. Okay.
Like a semicircle, but smaller.
Yes. Exactly. All right. So let's draw some teeth on this guy. So we're going to draw some fangs on this side and some fangs on this side. So those are going to be the bigger teeth. And the same on the bottom. A couple of big fangs. And then in between those, you just draw like 2 or 3 smaller teeth. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then for his tongue, we're going to draw a curved line like this and stop it. All right. So now that we got his head, we got his mouth, eyes, let's draw his belly. His belly is going to be a different color than the rest of his body. So what we'll do is start from this point. We'll go up, curve around, and back down and curve around. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to draw a couple of lines on his belly, just like this. Maybe 3 lines. That should be good. And now we're going to draw some spikes, some cool spikes on the back of his body. So we're going to start with one spike right here at the top of his head. And then another one that's a little bit smaller. And we're going to follow the shape of his body. And make them smaller as you're going down. Maybe one more here. Then we'll do one on his back side here. A couple on his tail. And they're going to get smaller as they go closer to the end of his tail. And that's it. Just a few. Good. Nice. Like those. I like those a lot. You can even do one bigger one right here at the top if you want. Cool.
Unicorn.
Yeah. Now let's color his eyeballs in. So everything except that little circle where the shimmer is.
A shimmer dot.
Shimmer dot. I like that. Now let's color in his mouth. So everything except the teeth, and don't color the tongue. We're going to color his tongue red.
Or maybe pink if we want.
Pink if you want. That works too.
Back stiff.
All right. All right, we're done with the dinosaur's body and head and everything. Now we just need to add some cool color. And what we're going to do is we're going to make him green. His belly's going to be gray. His spikes are going to be gray, and his hands and feet are going to be yellowish, kind of like a greenish yellow, and they're going to fade into his green body. Okay, so to color, DJ Wyld is going to use some markers and
Scented ones.
scented markers, even better. And I'm going to use oil pastels, one of my favorites. So we'll start with the body, and we're going to fast forward through this part. So you can go ahead and color. You can pause here if you want, so you can take your time coloring. You can make it any color you want, whatever makes you happy.
Yay!
Let's do this.
Was suggested by a boy named Mason that we know. He wanted us to draw a dinosaur, so we were like, okay, and here it is.
Thanks for the cool idea, Mason. Wow, love this guy. Can you make any cool dinosaur noises? Well, that's a pretty cool one. Let me try. That one hurt my throat.
Do that.
That's if the dinosaur is a baby and he gets a thorn in his foot. But when he gets big, he makes the big roar.
Roar!
Wow. That's pretty good. I don't know if I could beat that. Alright, DJ Wyld, way to go. Thumbs up. High five. Come on. I think I broke my hand there. I think DJ Wyld broke d.roc's hand.
That hurt my hand.
Well, that's it for this episode of Art Fun for Everyone. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Did you have fun?
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Me too.
Especially because one of our friends, Mason.
Thank you for the cool idea.
Yep. If you were drawing this picture with us, please show us and send us a picture.
We would love to see them.
That was fun. I can't wait until the next lesson.
Yeah, me too. I can't wait. And we hope you join us.
Thank you for watching. Look at our amazing pictures.
We hope you join us. And we hope you join us. Let me do that again, because I kind of messed that up.
And, yeah. Listen to mine. Mine's better.